Being an early 50s bow tie, this 1950 Styleline is certainly different, and being a carefully restored showstopper makes it super cool. But what makes it both different and cool is the fact that it mixes a proven LS1 with sublime paint, beautiful custom upholstery, and an aggressive stance that's wrapped around modern running gear. A fully sorted build that's ready for prime time. This clean Chevy is the beneficiary of a ground-up restoration that's as solid as the day it rolled out of the paint booth. That reboot is bathed in deep black 2-stage, which anchors carefully rehabilitated brightwork, and that brilliant flash highlights distinctive retro character, which reminds us just how cool vintage metal can be. A tasteful custom interior features an agreeable mix of black fabric and light gray leather. Modern buckets are detailed with subtle stainless hardware and classy contrasted stitching. A stainless trim dash hangs clean Dakota Digital gauges above hardware for modern air conditioning, and a full-length console floats a stylish Lokar shifter behind modern audio. For many enthusiasts, there's simply no better source of reliable power than GM's storied LS V8. With that in mind, it seems wholly appropriate that this timeless custom would be powered by 5.7 liters of proven Corvette small block that spins a trusty 4L60E with overdrive. If you're looking for something a little different than a run-of-the-mill cruiser, this awesome street rod is a fantastic choice. Distinctive, comfortable, and lovingly restored. It's a lot of fun on the street or at the show. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.